Welcome to the channel. Alright, for real though, welcome to the channel. My name is John from John Branch 4 Photography. I'm a wedding photographer and tech enthusiast. I've worked at Apple for 5 years. I've worked at Squarespace for 5 years, and I absolutely love being self-employed and technology. If you found yourself on this channel, basically that's what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about anything business related, tech related, and creative entrepreneur related. From what you see so far, it's mainly HoneyBook videos, but trust me, we're gonna get into basically anything you wanna see as far as tech and business related information. So if there's any applications you know of that you wanna see more information on, make sure to leave it in the comments. Hit me up, DM me, send me messages, follow me, do all the social stuff that the kids are doing nowadays. But no, hit me up for more information. Let me know what you want to see, and we're going to focus on being self-employed, technology, and anything that will help your business run smoother so that you can kick back and relax with what little time you might have left over. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I want to see y'all in my comments, and stay around for more videos.